Welcome in, Renegades. Now, this is what we were waiting for the last, since probably October, the end of October. We were waiting for a massive move. We went from $7 and tested that 950, and once we broke out of that, it went absolutely parabolic. Sorry if my voice is bad. I'm sick today. I caught a cold from my niece. So I'm a little bit sick today, but I had to make a video because we're all making money today. Depending on how much ICP you have, there's a lot of profit to be made, and there's some good news in the charts. This could be just the very start. We saw Bitcoin go to $100,000 and hit that psychological level we talked about last time on the channel. And we were also talking about this as well. If we could get above that 950 resistance, we would continue to go up. So we're going to look at some price targets. We're going to look at a little bit of news, and then we're going to see where ICP is going. I think we're going to hit $26 either December or January latest. So there we go. This is awesome, though. I made several $1,000s today. That makes me very happy. Especially, I just got a job. I'm waiting until December 2nd to start. So things are going pretty good all around. It's my birthday in a couple of days. I actually got monetized in 2021 on my birthday. So that's pretty cool. And it looks like there's over 1,000 ETH that has been brought onto ICP as CKF in the late last 6 months. 100% permissionless, 100% backed by threshold cryptography. So 1,000 plus Ethereum, and Ethereum is cracking right now too. It's altcoin season, baby. Everybody is in the profit right now. So I can't wait to get to the charts, but there's some good news here. Bitfinity Network, as well as Omnity, they're doing some pretty big things. I like, Omnity doing the cross-chain stuff, and Bitfinity being the platform and the EVM compatible platform to be able to now build on Bitcoin as well. It's pretty interesting what they're doing over there at Bitfinity. So let's take a glimpse into Bitfinity's post-mainnet roadmap. Ecosystem partners are already diving into these plans. AI-powered network integrations, which is going to be the next big thing in crypto, is AI capabilities. Real Bitcoin staking via custodial solutions, which is really cool to see this cross-chain capability, especially with Bitcoin at $100,000. And we're going to see ETH hopefully hit a new all-time high very soon now that money is starting to flow into the altcoins. You'll see what I mean here in a minute. That volume is massive. So the ETH bridge and stablecoin integrations, this is going to make it a lot easier to get in and out of your positions without gas fees, quickly and efficiently. And especially as we get into this bull market, these gas fees are going to go way up, and the transaction times on Ethereum and Bitcoin are going to be at all-time highs. Biometric wallet, Icp. So you're going to be able to sign in with your biometrics on Icp wallet, which is definitely a really good cross-chain platform wallet. Definitely be watching Icp. Platform scalability upgrades, which just means that they will be able to grow, more liquidity, more technical features, and so on. Meme staking and meme coin support. So the big part, in this narrative is meme coins, right? Now we're seeing the layer ones pump, but meme coins pump all the time. That's why I've recently really started loving meme coins. I'm going to just start throwing $50 or something at random meme coins and see what happens. Because if it really blows up, you can make a lot of money. What are you most excited about? You can go check out Bitfinity Net over here on X. Now it looks like Dom is finally in the States. Dom finally flew over the pond to this neck of the woods. He says, I'm in Washington at Project Liberty's Summit on the Future of the Internet, chatting with their people. Great event, Project Liberty. Next stop, Wyoming. You'll be right next door, man. I wish I could get Dom over here to Denver and then, have a little interview with the man. That probably won't happen, but we'll see. We'll see. This is pretty cool, though. So Dex Tools has a new integration alert. You can now track ICP tokens on Dex Tools app. So Definity's ICP blockchain is a project that aims to become a world computer. Through the provision of cloud functionality via a decentralized network of data centers that can act as an alternative to centralized web systems. But check out this new integration. You can now see EXE over here. You can see EXE just pumped a lot, which is an ICP token. It's a meme coin on the internet computer. Sorry, guys. I'm glad I got sick before my job started, though. That's the good part. So yeah, this is pretty cool. You can look up any tokens up here at the top. Renegade tokens here too. I just looked that up before. This is not doing very good right now. The market cap just went up from 3,000 something, and the price just went up to. But it had a big fall there. But we're trying to work something out with the game, even if we're just going to get a cheap dev, or if I dev it myself with ChatGPT. We'll see. But this token isn't even going to be our main token. This is just our little meme coin. This was a test. This was just to see, how it works. This is launched on a meme coin platform, so it really wasn't meant to be a gaming token, but it'll still be in the game. It'll still be tradable. The liquidity is going to stay there. So if you guys want to trade this is at a pretty good price. And when the game does come out, this token's still going to have value and still be in the game. So you can check it out, but you could also check out other tokens here. I'm sure you could look at CK Bitcoin, which would be pretty, yep, right here, CK Bitcoin. Nice amount of liquidity. Market cap 24 million, liquidity 674,000. Chain key Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin on the internet computer. So pretty cool. You can see all that stuff over here. Now, I know I kind of flew through that. I'm not feeling 100% right now, though. So I'm just going to kind of go over here. Let's reset this, see where we're at right now. We were at 11.39. We went to $12, it looks like. Somewhere really close to $12. Which is really good. If you look at this last month, and I told you guys it's $7. This is where this channel, you need to subscribe. You need to hit that notification bell and like this content to get it out to more people. But this is when I told you, I made a video and I said, I don't call it very often. I called it at like $3. There's a short on my channel that shows you that. And then I did call it here on a video, somewhere at this $7 range. And you would have almost doubled your money from November 4th. So this is definitely bullish to see ICP skyrocket like that. Look at this volume, 510 million. This is what we've been waiting for, is that massive volume. It's up 133%. So is that like what, 250, 230? Yeah, somewhere. It was pretty good volume. Market cap is now 5 billion. We moved up 2 spots from 28 to 26, and ICP is ripping. So this is definitely what we want to see. Let's look at the CFGI. We're in extreme greed right now. Basically, everything is absolutely very positive. This is the best CFGI we've seen since earlier this year when we had that other big run up to $21. The volatility very positive. As you saw, we moved massively. Volume very positive. We more than doubled the amount of volume in the last 24 hours. Impulse, people are just buying, impulse buys. Order book is looking bullish, buying. Technicals, we'll see. Says very positive. I believe it, though. And whales are everything we need is very positive. And with this Bitcoin dominance, neutral, even if Bitcoin goes down a little bit, it's not going to hurt us too much. We're neutral. So it's not going to affect us very much with Bitcoin right now. So that dominance is still really high. It hasn't, spiked down yet, but it being neutral on the daily is what we want to see. So it would be better, if we moved against Bitcoin and it went down. But let's look at the daily chart here. This is the weekly, but let's go to the daily real quick. As you see, we broke out on the daily from a massive resistance. We haven't been above this level since June. So since June, we never broke out. We've broken out of this level at 10.60. Is that 10.60? $11. We haven't broke out of $11 since last June. And we confirmed above that on the daily. Now we just need 2 more days on the weekly. So before I turn ultra bullish on ICP, we need to confirm this weekly candle. And I'll show you in a minute, but I want to talk about this first. So we have this massive golden ratio right here at $26. This is the golden ratio. We're starting to pump. The whole market could recover. And ICP could, hit these levels from $22 to $26. We obviously are hitting this 0382 right now. We broke above that, so we need to close above that. So on the week, this is very important. And ICP is just ripping. What does it say on here? Yeah, 1196. But this is a crucial level where obviously the whales are starting to take profits right here, which is good. We can still move to the upside. But if we do close the week below $11, we are still going to be in this area. But I told you about this triple bottom last time. And that's why I was super bullish on ICP. We had this, triple bottom right here, blast off. And yeah, it's a really nice area, big resistance breakout. So we just have to close the week above that. On the weekly, I want to get my pattern out here. So we haven't turned bullish on the weekly yet, according to my pattern, the Bitcoin dominance yet. So we're not 100% bullish yet, but things are looking very good. This is the weekly though, and that's the 20. So we could go to the weekly 9 and see if we have broken out according to my pattern. Yes. So this is good. We just got a reversal. See how it just turned red? So we're moving against Bitcoin in a positive way. That means ICP is starting to move to Bitcoin. We're way above that EMA 9. So if we see another good weekly candle, we just need some momentum going a couple of weeks. And we'll have ICP really at some high prices. This is looking good on that one. Let's look at the daily. I'm pretty sure we're on the 9. So we have 2 on the 9. We're starting to get a little bit overbought up here at 71, but we could go much higher. That's nothing right there. But that's normally where you start to get overbought. It does look like it's starting to reverse. We're well above that 9. Let's look at the 20. This is like the everything. Thank you for the membership. You rock, bro. That's about as excited as I can get today without faking it. But yeah, let's look at the 21. Default is 20. 21, nice. And we're well above that EMA. But it's only 2 candles in the red. I would still consider this bullish, moving against Bitcoin. Let's do the EMA 50. Yeah, everything is just now turning. So this is very good. I want to look at the weekly or the 4 hour after this. Let's do the 100. Okay, we haven't turned the 100 yet on Bitcoin. We just started with the Bitcoin. So yeah, right at this area too. All right, let's look at the 4 hour. 4 hour is looking very bullish. The 100, this is a definite confirmation in the short term that we're going to continue going to the upside compared to Bitcoin right now. Let's try the 200. Okay, and just starting on this. So we're really starting to get bullish now. After this, we moved from 870 on the 21st to now $12. So pretty good. Now price targets. Let's go to the week, because let's just get rid of all this. Where are we going now? Don't pay attention to this week. There is no 200 on the weekly, so it looks like that. We'll just get rid of that. And then let's get the just regular EMA out. EMA. Let's just do 100. Okay, so this is our resistance right now, the EMA 100 on the weekly. We just hit this right here. It's at 1203. We hit it at 1196, hitting that. So we are going to have some resistance there, and this is a definite accumulation area. So I think we can confirm above this. I would definitely be watching for a close above 1172. If we can close above this, we are no longer, actually, I would even say, 1183. So if we could get above 1183, this is going to stop this downtrend, right? So we already stopped this downtrend here from here. The downtrend here. But if we want to break the resistance of that downtrend, you see how we were in a downtrend, we broke it, and now we're going to test the resistance of that downtrend. So if we can get above this, confirm this as support on the weekly, even 1203 would be great. If we get above that, I'm super bullish. But as long as we can get above that 1183 by the end of the week, I'm bullish. If not, we're probably going to test 1069 again. This is going to be a very, very big level of resistance if we fail to break above here. Like, I'm just being honest with you. I want to see us keep on moving up, but pullbacks are a normal part of crypto. But as long as we have this massive volume over here at 500 million, we're going to be okay. So yeah, I'm just looking for a massive breakout of that area on the weekly. This, triple bottom, downward trending trend line breakout, as you see right here. That was a massive breakout of a downtrend. And now we're testing the resistance, the horizontal. We broke the trend line, and now we're testing the horizontal resistance of this downtrend. So as long as, we can get somewhere above there, or even if we close somewhere here in the week, between 1069 and 1172, that's not going to be bad either. Because then next week we can go up and break that. The more times we hit this, we actually haven't even touched the EMA 100 since April of 2024. So it's been a long time, like 7 months since we ever even touched this trend line, and we touched it now. So technically that's a rejection. We went above it as rejection, and the only time we have been above that, we went, to massive prices. So, and as you see back here, look, let's get rid of these lines. Look back here, we tested it once, we tested it twice. I kept testing it, and then we broke out. So this could be a precursor of what's to come. We're testing this big weekly, which means the last 100 weekly candles. This is massive, guys. So yeah, definitely be watching 1250. And if we break out of this area with the weekly volume or RSI, let's look at this RSI. This is the most beautiful setup I've seen. Look at it go. And I told you, if we could confirm for a couple weeks above this, it's blast off time once we get above this. And as soon as we got above this, I've been telling you to watch this weekly RSI for a big move in ICP. As soon as we get above it and confirm, this was a rejection, right? So I would definitely be at least following this up. And if we break this resistance right here, right, boom, which we did, and now we're skyrocketing again. So this is very bullish. This is actually an inverse head and shoulders on the RSI that played out beautifully. And as you see, when we went to 21, and we're at 1130 right now, even before that at 11 something, yeah, from 9 whatever, we were way up here. Let's see what price. Yeah, from 1190. Let's just say the high right there was at the very peak, and look where we're at now. So we're not overbought on the week at all. So I'm seeing a moonshot cut. It can. A moonshot could really happen right now. But this is going to be our big level. We have to stay above is 1070. Now on the daily, let's scoot this in. It's been a long time on the daily. Yeah, see this big area 1170 is yeah, that area is where we really, as you see on the daily, this was a huge support level that broke. So once we confirm above this level, going all the way back here as resistance, broke it, tested it as support, tested the lower level of support, boom, 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 and then broke. So this was all an uptrend, and then this, as soon as it started, was the downtrend. And now we're testing that in a massive way. So this is good. I do see an ascending triangle. So this looks like a continuation pattern in the long term, which is very bullish. Let's just see. Big ol' ascending triangle, and it can also go up to this other one too. This upward trending support line with a test underneath of it right there, and then a breakout. As you see, this massive dinosaur breakout. But yeah, we just need to close above this last place. Let's see. Could be, some sort of a massive ascending triangle. I don't know. You could say that this was like a cup and handle, but that's only if it comes back down and it went a little high. So I wouldn't even say that. There is a bigger cup and handle on the weekly that could possibly be playing out, as you see this massive cup and handle right here, which would bring the price target up to $18. And then I'm looking at the top of this wedge right here for that falling wedge at 1252. So ICP is getting ready to crack, guys. This volume, everything is looking very bullish. So I think that's about all we're going to have for today. I don't feel very good. Let's see what you guys are doing before I leave, though. I always have enough energy to talk to you guys. What up? They love Comp. Hey, Comp was a good crypto. Compound. What's a motivational sub, dude? Oh, thank you. My birthday's in a couple days. Yep, I'm gonna be 41. We're all gonna make it renegades. Bitcoin Renegade, love your videos, mate. 1090 locked up for 8 years, non-dissolving. You're gonna be, sitting big in them NNS rewards, bro. You could live off of the maturity. So ICP is fire right now, guys. This is what we've been waiting for. I know it was a good crypto. We hopefully all have a nice fat bag by now. For Evergang. I mean, the unlocks kind of stop next year. So the 2029 bull run, I'm definitely buying back in like 2027. $16 in Canada. Nice. Hey, Six Figs, my guy is here. We have a new member, James. Thank you for becoming a member, bro. I appreciate that. Thank you. Yeah, I hope you feel better. Yesterday was worse. Today I'm just kind of recovering a little bit, but the price going up, it kind of lifts my spirits up. I've just been drinking water all day and, just chilling. So I think that's all we're going to have, guys. I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving. I hope you enjoy this, pump. I'm definitely going to be looking for some meme coins and some other stuff to do going into this bull run. So let me know. I'm going to do a video where you guys, if you want me to look at cryptos, then we can do that. But today I'm going to call it a night. So thank you, guys. All right, guys, that being said, goodbye and good ICP. Bam!